Hello, everyone. I'm Terry Hartley at Rustic Barn Cards. I want to share with you my special edition for my club for March of 2025. I'm going to tell you about my club and how I normally run it and what is going to be extra special this month. So, this is my Stampin' Up! Anniversary. I've been a demonstrator for 5 years. I joined in March of 2020. So, I want to celebrate it in a big way, and I'm going to be offering some extra special things for my club members. And if you're not a club member, this is a perfect time to give it a try. So I'm going to tell you about my club, which is called Rustic Ink Creations. I will tell you the bundles we're going to use for the month of March, um, and the inks that we're going to use. I'll give you a sneak peek. I'm going to tell you what club normally, how it normally is run, and what is extra special about it this month. So, as I said, my club is Rustic Ink Creations, and normally my club members make 6 cards, 2 of 3 designs. But for the month of March, you will receive pre-cut cardstock to make 11 cards, 2 of 4 designs, plus you will have 3 cards that'll be 1 of 1 design. So you'll have 11 cards. You'll receive envelopes. You'll receive approximately about $27 a product. And that is because this month, all club members are going to receive an extra special gift in their club packet. So that will bring up that total to approximately $27. You will have a summary video where I go over all the tips and tricks for each of the cards, and you have written tutorials. All club members for March, whether you're a current club member or you're signing up for the Give It a Try for March, the special anniversary edition, your name will be in a drawing and someone will win a stamp set from a random drawing. And oh, yes, those of you that are club members, if you invite a friend and you're a current member and you sign up a friend, then you and your friend will also get an extra gift. So normally my club is $44 a month, but for the month of March, it is $39. And normally my club is a subscription. And then at the end of 6 months, you receive a gift valued at $25. But for the month of March, it's going to be a one-time fee of $39, which does include shipping. And so it's a great time to give it a try. So if there's no commitment, it's a one-time fee. All right. I think I've covered what club is. So let me tell you for March. So now, of course, you can use any stamp set that you have. I'm going to be using 2 bundles for March, and I'm going to be using the mixed florals, the stamp set, and the dies, along with mixed labels, stamp set, and dies. If you don't own these, you can add them on, but you can use whatever you have. Um, these are online exclusives, so if you're not sure where to find those, we're going to be using 4 inks. We're going to be using Memento Black ink plus Boho Blue, Flor de Flamingo, and Mossy Metal. And then you'll need some blends or markers because we're going to be doing some coloring. And I'm going to be using three colors of blends. Flor de Flamingo for my cards, Petal Pink, and Lost Lagoon. So Lost Lagoon, Petal Pink, and Flor de Flamingo. Okay, but you can use whatever you have. And are you ready to see some? I'm not going to show all the cards. I want some of it to be a surprise. But and if you like surprises, then don't look at this next part, but I'm going to show you four cards, and these are the four cards that you'll have. You'll make two each of each of these cards, and then I'm going to keep those other three cards extras that I'm for the 11 cards. I'm going to keep those three, the last three extra ones. I'm going to keep them a surprise. All right, so here is the first card. It's a happy anniversary, a sympathy card. Of course, you could put any sentiment that you wanted. Or a great friend. And then I do have another happy anniversary, but of course you could change that to another sentiment too, depending on what you need. So you need to sign up. The last day to sign up is midnight on March 15th. And then club ships by the last day of March. So it ships out. The latest is the last day of March. I try to get those shipped out earlier. And just going to look at my notes to make sure I haven't missed anything. So again, it's March's Rustic Ink Creations Club. You're inviting you to join the fun because it is there's no commitment. Special price, $39, 11 cards, approximately $27 a Stampin' Up! Product. You'll get envelopes, written tutorials, a summary video, and there's going to be a prize drawing. And of course, a special thank you gift for every March club member. And then if you are a club member, there is a bring a friend. If you sign a friend up, then you and that friend will both get a small gift. All right. Reach out to me if you have any questions. More information and details in the description. I'd love for you to give Rustic Ink Creations a try. And this is a perfect time for my March anniversary special edition club to give it a try. I'm Terry Hartley, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Southeast Iowa at Rustic Barn Cards. Take care and bye for now.